Hello everyone, welcome here. In this lecture, you are going to learn class constructors. So preparing a class constructor is very super easy. What the name of class you are going to creating, the same method you want to create it. That's it. There is nothing more than that. So I'll show you a very simple class creation like CLASS class of car. So now open and end parenthesis here and public keyword access modifier and car is my method name is also car. That's it. Now see out the implementation in the default, like it is also nothing but we also called as default constructor. So hello world. So hello world. So it would be called like a class creation and this is what we have ACCESS access modifier and this is what we are called it is like a constructor. You may call it as constructor or default constructor as well. How you can access this default constructor? When you are calling in a class and my obj declaration is creating object, this will call automatically constructor only. When you call like my object, like a class object, it will be by default, it will be called the calls default constructor only. Let's see my obj. There is other methods are not there. So when you press here like something, when you press here something like a passing to the class objects to particular class, it will be called to this particular object only. So this is nothing but class constructor. In upcoming lectures we will see how to pass. Yes, we have some lectures are there to pass the default constructor with the data items. I'll see you in the next lecture. Thank you.